So why should an intended parent choose Southern Surrogacy to help them find their gestational carrier and manage their surrogacy journey?
Well, there are quite a few reasons. I think it's important to note that we are attorneys, and that is something that is unique with us. And that means that we represent the intended parents as our clients as they go through the surrogacy process.
I think so too. I think also as attorneys, we are governed by our state bar associations. Lynn and I are members of the State Bar of Georgia, and you?
I'm a member of the State Bar of Georgia as well as the State Bar of North Carolina.
And we work very closely with colleagues who are members of the bar in the other states where we recruit and find our surrogates and where our intended parents come from. And so we've been trained and are experienced in living up to the highest ethical standards that our state bars require of us.
I also think it's important our size, that we are relatively small, and that allows us to have more of a personal touch on every case. So as the client, you will know your lawyer as well as your case manager, and you don't have to deal with multiple people throughout the process.
Absolutely, because as each one of us as attorneys are working directly with clients and then working closely with our paralegal support and our case manager support to make sure that the intended parents have someone walking with them at every step of the way. So you were with Southern Surrogacy at the beginning when the decision was made to focus on a regional surrogacy program. So what does that mean to you?
Well, to me, that means that intended parents are able to participate more fully in the process because typically they're within a driving distance of their gestational surrogate. And I think that's really important to the whole process for them feeling a part of the process and getting excited about their pregnancy.
I also find it then as we talk to the women who want to be gestational carriers for our clients, they're looking for a relationship with the parents. They're going to be giving this amazing gift to the parents, and they want to know those people, and knowing that the location of the parents isn't going to be too far away from the gestational carriers is very important to them. I think another important thing is the fact that as we focus on surrogacies that are taking place in the South, it means that we're working with the same fertility clinics over and over and over again. And we've developed really close relationships with the doctors and their nursing staff as we work through the process of getting a gestational carrier evaluated to make sure that her physical health is the best possible suited to surrogacy, and also her emotional health as we refer her and the intended parents to psychologists that we know and that we work with regularly.
We have been obtaining the pre-birth orders of parentage for many years now and have not had any problem doing so. And so that's really important for intended parents to know as well, that legally speaking, your parentage is secured prior to your child's birth.
Right. And of course, our founding partner, Ruth, was one of the first lawyers to get a pre-birth order in Georgia for surrogacy. And among us, because of our membership in the American Academy of Adoption and Assisted Reproductive Technology Attorneys, it's a mouthful, but our membership in that academy means that we work really closely with lawyers in other states, and especially our neighboring southern states, so that we can make referrals to lawyers who know the laws of their states and can ensure that the surrogacies have all the legal protections necessary.
We've been building and securing families
for over 30 years.